Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Kindly be muted as we completed half of the kids in the last vocal session. The topic is the same. The topic is the same. I have not changed the topic because many kids were left saying about their speech. So I have not changed the topic. Now, as I see hand raise on my screen, as I see hand raise on my screen, I am going to say you all accordingly by the names. Okay, kids? Are you all okay? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Everyone, kindly be muted. I am waiting for 2 minutes. 2:15 को हम लोग start करते हैं. 2:15 को, okay? Till then, kindly be muted. हाँ, kindly be muted. कोई भी अनम्यूट मत होना बच्चा लोग, वरना समझ में नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am, can we start?
बच्चा म्यूट पे रहो बच्चा प्लीज. Kindly cooperate with me today. Kindly cooperate with me. Please be on mute. We are starting at 2:15. Yes. So we will start now, kids. Kindly be on mute. Okay, I will be calling the names. जिन जिन का नहीं हुआ है, raise hand करके रखना. Okay. Yes, I can see Ashita Mohta.
I am Ashita Mohta. Today my topic is how coronavirus COVID-19 has changed my life. COVID-19 has changed my life by keeping me in house. I used to go in the park also, but now I have to be in house. I also miss my school and my teachers. I had to do live classes nowadays. I wish that this COVID 19 should go away. I miss everything. My school also, but the fun thing is I can stay and play with my mom and dad. I learned cycling. Coronavirus go fast. I want to go to school and also play with my friends. Thank you.
Yes, very good, very good. Now I see there was a girl who told जिसके पास raise hand नहीं है, Vidhi Agarwal, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
Nidhi Nawal. Sorry.
Yes,
Nidhi
ma'am.
Nawal. Nidhi Nawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say about your topic.
My topic
और
is
सब लोग
COVID.
एक मिनट सब लोग जब भी आप लोग बोलते हो ना मुझे आप लोगों का कैमरा ऑन चाहिए ओके एंड काइंडली इंट्रोड्यूस यू विथ योर नेम निधि
My
नवाज
name is
प्लीज स्टार्ट
Yes, ma'am. My topic is COVID-19 has changed our life. Our whole world is suffering from COVID-19 and COVID-19 affects to our child life also. We cannot meet to our friends. We cannot go to our friends' house also. We cannot eat outside. We cannot play in garden, etc.
डन बच्चा निधि आर यू
We can
डन
No, ma'am. We cannot go to our school. We cannot meet to our friends, and I miss my niece and and uh, and my school also. Thank you.
वेरी गुड निधि ईशान झकोटिया प्लीज से कैमरा ऑन बच्चा कैमरा ऑन रखना बच्चा प्लीज
Yes, ma'am. Can you see me?
Camera is on.
से कंटिन्यू
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, friends, and all my dear ones. Today I'm going to say on a topic a war against Corona by people and for people. Today we all are going through a period of time which has brought our lives to a stop. Coronavirus is not only an epidemic, but it is proving itself as a pandemic. Loads of people are suffering from this disaster situation, but we can face this and can say a strong and a defending no to it. Remember, Corona is not undefeatable. We can stamp it under our shoes if we stand united, keeping aside our panic stickers state. My first and foremost suggestion in would be that we all should keep calm and try to face and fight this situation. A panic will responsible for the growth of rumors related to which we will be more horrendous than corona. Do not believe in any kind of rumors. Our doctors, nurses, and others workers are ready for their tours and help us. Let's respect their work. They are 24/7 available for us, so let's stay at home for them. They expect cooperation from which us will be a great step for help. It's my humble request to everyone who's reading this that, that please don't take this lightly. Don't make fun of this situation because when it will be make your life a joke, no one knows. Don't post videos on social media making fun of this. It is serious matter, but running away from this situation in fear or stress is not the solution. Thank you. Stay fit, stay healthy.
Very good, Ishan. Great speech. Great. Tanush Marda. Tanush Marda. Anika, kindly be on mute. Anika, kindly be on mute. Tanush Marda. Taksh Marda. Taksh Marda. Akshita Rathi.
Ma'am,
हाँ तक्ष मर्दा से
yes.
wait Akshita wait तक्ष मर्दा से
Hello everyone. My name is Lakshmana. I am 10 years old. Today I am going to say the topic on a new pandemic, a new year of pandemic.
not a new year of pandemic the
A
new
new
technical
technical
world
world
after
after
a year of pandemic yes
After this pandemic, the virtual classroom take over o- over over
बच्चा कैमरा ऑन करो ना बच्चा कैमरा क्यों नहीं ऑन करते आप लोग
conventional teaching method. We will eat healthy food after this COVID-19. Wear mask, using hand sanitizer, maintaining social distancing are going to be normal life. We could all enjoy festivals and also go out to play. People would spend more time with their family. After this pandemic, we all will have better life. Thank you.
very good Taksh very good Tanush Marda is around with you
Yes, Tanush Mata is
उसका
around
हो गया क्या बोल के
me. His mic is not working.
okay but he can say with your mic
Okay, you can say.
yes kindly switch on your camera when you are speaking all the others who have joined are requested to be on mute.
Okay, ma'am.
तक्ष मर्दा बेटा तनुष को बोलो ना आपके ही इसमें से स्पीच देने के लिए Are you there, Taksh?
Taksh.
Kindly all of you be on mute. I'm calling na.
Ma'am, my name is Tanush.
Tanush, kindly switch on the camera. सब
Okay,
लोग
ma'am.
जो भी लोग स्पीच दे रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे मुझे कैमरा ऑन चाहिए
My name is Tanush Pada. I am 10 years old. Today I am going to tell the topic of the technical world after an year of pandemic. After this pandemic, we are going to wear masks and using hand sanitizer and maintaining social distancing are going to be new normal life. To stop. Second, virtual classroom take over conventional method. We will eat healthy food and also eat vitamins and minerals and keep a good care of our bodies. We could enjoy all festivals and also go out for the play. People would spend more time with their families. After this pandemic,
we all will have better life. Thank you.
Very good, Tanush. Very good. Very nicely said. Very good. Okay, Akshita Rathi. काइंडली जो लोग भी अभी अभी ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं सब लोग म्यूट हो रहो. हैंड रेज करके रखो जिन लोगों ने वोकल्स का सेशन में बोल नहीं पाए थे. ओके
Yes, ma'am.
अक्षिता प्लीज से.
Hello, everyone. My name is Akshita Rai. I am 8 years old. I live in Thane. I study in grade 3. Today I am going to tell about how coronavirus has changed my life. Coronavirus has changed my life that not to go out. We cannot go to school, not play with our garden, not play in the garden, and we cannot even cycle out. We cannot even do physical activities out. But if we want to, if we want to go, make corona go away, so we have to be safe. But how can we be safe? Come on, let's know how to be safe from coronavirus. To be safe from coronavirus, we have to wear a mask when we go out and wash hands frequently. We do not go out until it is an emergency, like to get food or utensils. Do not shake hands with anybody. Join your hands and say namaste to them. If you get fever, catch a cold, hard to breathe, or runny nose, etc., then immediately go and inform your doctor. Take all the 2 doses of the vaccine and don't go out for 15 days. Before or after eating food, wash your hands with soap and water. If any emergency to go to the market, then sanitize your hands while going in and out. Do not touch your face when going out. When coming, immediately wash your hands. When bought something from outside, keep that in the sun for 12 hours and then take it inside. Drink hot water every day or lemon water without sugar. Instead, use black salt. You can put a pinch of sugar but not more than that. If you are going to the market, then do not touch anything. Your parents will because they wash hands properly. If your parents only say to touch anything, then only touch. Corona is now extremely dangerous, so please stay safe. Follow all these rules and fight with corona so that you can go out and do physical activities to keep your immunity strong. We all will also fight with corona and kick him out of the world so that we can stay happy and safe and go out, take some fresh air inside. Bye corona and welcome cleanliness. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yes, all prayers are there. We also want that corona should run away very fast and it should vanish completely. Right? Very good. Pallavi Hurgat, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला मुझे जिस अकॉर्डिंग में रेज हैंड दिख रहे हैं मैं वही पूछूंगी. कोई भी बीच में कैन आई टेल नहीं बोलना क्योंकि आज अगर किसी का चांस रह गया तो वो नहीं होगा. पल्लवी हुरगत प्लीज से बच्चा.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I am not having a raise hand icon.
पल्लवी हुरगत आपने रेज हैंड किया हुआ है.
Ma'am, I have.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Hardik Mayurgar from Murbad. Today I am going to talk about how our life changes because of Corona. We locked in house. Schools are closed. People are suffering because of Corona. Before Corona, I go to school, meet my friends and play with them. But now I cannot go to school or meet my friends. Some good thing I learned from this situation is our family came more closer. We get more than connected, but we need social life too. Go Corona, please go. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Sandeep Jakotia. Sandeep Jakotia.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say about your speech.
Good afternoon, my friends. I am speaking about Corona.
Kindly switch on your camera.
Ma'am, she's unable to switch on because she's not facing the camera. Should be happy.
I, Shrija, committed to vigilant and very much at all times there Silva and Michael and my friend. I, Shrija, committed to vigilant and bear man at all times there Silva and Michael and my friend from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key code of public behavior. Wear mask at public places, to maintain the distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands thoroughly with soap and water. We will win this fight against COVID-19.
Very good. Very good. Riya Sabu.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चा बोलो.
Good evening. I'm Riya Sabu. I'm going to tell how the new technological world after an year of pandemic has changed our life. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated 10 key technology trends including digital payments, telehealth and robotics. These technologies can help reduce the spread of the coronavirus while helping business stay open. Technology can help make the society more resilient in the face of pandemic and other threats. During the COVID-19 pandemic, technology are playing a crucial role in keeping our society functional in a time of lockdowns and quarantines. And these technologies may have a long lasting impact beyond COVID 19. The 10 technologies are online shopping and robot deliveries, digital and contactless payments, remote work, distance learning, telehealth, online entertainment, supply chain, 3D printing, robotics and drones, 5G and information and communication technology. These all will change the new technological world after pandemic. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Great. Great. Very nice written. Very good. Very good. Pooja Tawani. Pooja Tawani.
Ma'am, can I tell my classes? Yes, ma'am.
अभी है ना, आपका नाम क्या है बच्चा?
मैं विहान तवानी.
नहीं, एक मिनट. पलाश मुद्रा आप सबसे लास्ट में बोलोगे, क्योंकि मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन, आप स्टार्टिंग से हो मेरे साथ, मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर है. अपने रेज हैंड करके रखो. मुझे जो ऑर्डर में रेज हैंड दिख रहा है, मैं वही ऑर्डर में पूछ रही हूँ. राइट पलाश? अगेन एंड अगेन यू आर अनम्यूटिंग. बच्चा, आप लोग बड़े बच्चे ऐसे करोगे तो मैं छोटे बच्चों को कैसे बोलूंगी? काइंडली कोऑपरेट बच्चा, प्लीज. यस, पूजा टवानी.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Vihan Tawani.
Kindly
Today
switch on
I
your
am
camera
going
when you say.
My name is Vihan Tawani. Today I am going to say about coronavirus. Tips to reduce risk of infection. Wash hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Cover your mouth and nose if you couch or sneeze with the inside of your elbow. Do not get close to anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms. Go to the doctor if you have a fever, cough, or feel that is difficult to breathe. If you go to the market, do not touch animals or anything in the area they stay. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Very, very nice. Laksh Toshniwal, kindly switch on your camera when you say bacha.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Prisha Toshniwal, and today I am going to talk about how COVID 19 changed our life. It brought about many changes in my life. Firstly, as everyone knows, it me to stay at home. I couldn't go uh, I couldn't go to school and meet my friends through I was available to talk to them thanks to online class, but it was not the same as meeting them. I also miss going outside to play, but I think it is for the best. It is all a price we all need to pay to stay safe from this disease virus. We avoid going out to our home. We come avoid bringing infect and to infect others. So I would like to end my speech saying, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Great, very good, very nice, very nice. Yes, Lakshmi Zawar,
Ma'am,
Lakshmi Zawar, I
ma'am,
have
Yes,
read
ma'am.
that, that you don't have the option of raising hand. Kindly wait, I will ask you. Yes, Lakshmi Zawar,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I see and read?
अरे हाँ, मैंने बाय हार्ट करने नहीं बोला था, मुझे सिर्फ आपकी
Okay.
स्पीच सुननी है. हाँ.
Okay, okay. Good afternoon,
If you are
respected
not seeing
teachers.
and saying, that is also okay. अगर आप देख के बोल रहे हो, that is also okay. इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, okay. हिंदी में बोल रहे हो, okay. But आप बोलो, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about role of technology during COVID-19. We know that technology is an essential part of our lives today. But during this pandemic, technology helps a man a lot. Technology plays a vital role such as educating people about the entire situation and asking them to take the necessary precautions. Telecom operators such as BSNL, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, etc. have used caller tunes for spreading awareness about the pandemic. Self-driving cars, drones, robots also helps in this pandemic situation. We are able to continue business from home using meeting softwares, cloud conferencing, etc. Smartphones are also playing a very important role in this COVID-19 situations, like home delivery of goods, online streaming of live shows, movies, and concerts for entertainment. Students use smartphones for their online studies. During this pandemic situation, education is shifted to the method of homeschooling and homo college. Educators are conducting the Educators are conducting classes online in which millions of students get benefit. Most of the educational institutes have started to make sure education is not disrupted due to this pandemic. With this, I end my speech. Thank you everyone for listening to me so patiently.
Very nice. Very nice. I like your point of the caller tune of the mobile phones. Very good. Very good. See,
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
minute observation this is. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Snehalata Mundra. Yes, Mishti Mundra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say about your speech.
Good afternoon, everyone, and my teacher. My topic is how Corona changed my life. Before lockdown, I used to go to school so most of my time spent in school. But after lockdown, my life changed because I cannot meet my school friends and I spend my time with family. And we do lot of bhajan and puja path and pray for the whole world. I used to play Ludo with my Dada, Daji and Mummy Papa. After lockdown, our school had started on online classes and I got busy in classes and homework. Also in vacation, I did summer camp and learned lot of activity. Thank you.
Great, great. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Aarti Bajaj,
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
please say.
My name is Mithilesh Gopal Bajaj. Today my topic is how COVID-19 has changed my life. COVID-19 has started from December 2019 and it has created a lot of positive things in my life. As point number one, I am spending a lot of time with my parents and my younger sister. Point number two, I learned the importance of health and hygiene. Point number three, I learned about planets, astronaut wonders around the world from online surfing and computer and mobile operating. Fourth, point number four, I learned painting, God prayer, helping mom, dad, and playing chess, playing badminton, making bhel puri, reading books. I learned about Ramayana. Point number six, due to COVID-19, I am missing my school, my friends, fun fair, outside yummy food, circus, movies, garden, and visiting temples. Thank you.
Great, great. So you learned making bhel puri. Very good, very good. Those who have not those who have don't have the option of raising hand ना, मैं यहाँ पे लिख के ले रही हूँ आपका नाम. मैं आप लोगों से पूछूंगी. Okay, don't panic and don't worry. I will definitely ask you all. Okay.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very Yashi Mundra. Yashi Mundra.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yashi Mundra.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, now you are audible. Very good.
Yeah.
Start.
Hello everyone, I'm Yashi Mundra and I'm from Thane. Today I'm going to talk about the new technical world after a year of pandemic. Technology has changed the world. It has affected education, social life, medication, etc. It has changed the world in a positive and negative way. Earlier, teachers used to use chalk and board in schools, but nowadays they use smart boards or active boards. These are highly advanced and have their own way to share information. This is an example of how modern technology has changed the world. It also has positive points such as students can log into the internet to know what's happening in the real world and keep updates of it. It also has negative points like students can copy answers word by word. They are copying information rather than learning ideas and concepts. After the year of pandemic, it will be difficult to adapt the new world with less use of technology. Thank you.
Yes, very good, Yashi. Drishti Lohia. Drishti Lohia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say about your speech.
Yeah. My name is Drishti Lohan and I'm going to say a speech about how COVID-19 has changed my life. For me personally, it did bring about many changes. I could not visit my nanny, his place in Delhi for my summer vacation. Obviously, could not go out much or even meet my friends. For almost a year, it was staying inside your house 24/7. Whereas on the other hand, it did teach us how to apprehend the small things in life, being eating somewhere outside, car rides at night, meeting your loved ones, or even slightless of anything else. Sitting at home, I did learn various new things like drawing, painting, a bit of baking and cooking, playing new games, how to use technology in more better ways. Also did spend a lot of time with my family which could not have normally since everyone would have been busy in their school, college and work. This was like some pause for the real life which did led yield many positive and negative effects in my life. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yes, Surbhi Birla. Surbhi Birla.
Yes.
Please say about your speech, what you have written, bacha.
मैंने कोरोना पे बोल दिया और मेरा लोग प्रोग्राम हो गया.
आपका हो गया बोल के तो बच्चा आपने रेज हैंड क्यों किया था?
मेरा भजन और श्लोक ले गया.
अरे भजन और श्लोक नहीं है बच्चा, आज वोकल्स है. ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं. अनिका लाहोटी.
Yes, ma'am.
Anika Lahoti, yes, please say about your speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anika Lahoti. I am 9 years old. Today I am going to speak on the topic impact of coronavirus. COVID-19 had a huge impact on the world, especially we, the students. We faced many issues, namely online schooling, as it requires a good network connection and a quiet place also. We weren't allowed to go out of our house, and we had a huge effect on our mental health. Thus, I pray to the God that this pandemic ends so that we can resume our daily lives. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes, दक्ष जो आशीष बजाज के नाम से है, बोलो बच्चा. दक्ष. दक्ष. आशीष बजाज के नाम से जो है वो. ओके. ब्राह्मिणी जाजू. ब्राह्मिणी जाजू. Brahmini Jaju, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say about your speech. Kindly switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Brahmani Jaju and I am 9 years old. My topic is how COVID-19 changed my life. Like two sides of coin, COVID also has two sides, good and bad. Good. I am spending my time with my family and I am safe. Due to lockdown or pandemic, we are connected each other virtually to global world. So you are sitting at home and can access to the whole world, and that's why I am attending this beautiful summer camp which is going on in Thane just because of virtual classes. And bad, I can't go anywhere. No one is coming to my place, and vice versa. There are difficulties to access the things or purchase the things.
I can't go down for playing with my friends. I can't go for a vacation. This shall to pass, this shall to pass, this shall to pass.
Very good, very good. What was that last line what you told?
This shall to pass.
Meaning?
Means this have to pass.
Okay, this shall to pass. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very, very good. Yes. Vishakha Rathi. Vishakha Rathi.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, friends. My name is Arohi Bhattar. I study in class 3rd. Corona has changed our life in many ways, but I am going to talk about the way it has changed our school life. Pandemic was so worse that I could not even go to the school. But thanks to technology, because of which I could connect from my home to my teachers and my friends too. And you know the best part? My parents also contributed towards it. As Lord Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita, change is the only constant in life. So, yes, my school life has been changed from learning from school to learning from home, and I'm enjoying it to the fullest. Hope you all also. Happy learning. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Great. Yes, ये चिल्लर बडीज के नाम से कौन है बच्चा? चिल्लर बडीज के नाम से कौन है?
Ma'am, Palash.
हाँ, पलाश से.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Palash Dhaval Mundara and I am 11 years old and my topic name is Technical World After COVID-19. After COVID-19, the world has been changed. If we talk about ourselves, then we are missing the school, friends and playground. We are missing the activity of sharing tiffins and playing games. On the other hand, our classes are now online, which saves a lot of time with traveling. We can give more time to family members since there is restriction on movement to go outside. Our physical growth and mentally growth in natural sources stop. I pray to cure all the peoples around the world. Quickly, we start to begin a new journey. Go Corona, go. Thank you.
Very good. Yes, we all will pray to God and our prayers will definitely work. Very good, very good. Keep it up. Yes, Niti Sada,
Yes. Jai Shri Krishna.
please switch on your camera.
Jai Shri Krishna. I am going to talk about how Corona has changed my life. I had never heard the words lockdown, COVID, or Corona before February 2020. During the initial days of lockdown, I enjoyed watching deserted roads, parents at home. But soon I realized how wrong I was. I saw my parents burdened with work, with lot of work. I started helping them by sweeping and keeping the utensils in their places. During these difficult days, I saw how the society came together to help each other. Soon, I started enjoying virtual school and meeting friends virtually. I learned very important lessons of life due to the situation, like resourcefulness, compassion, gratitude. Above all, I learned love all, serve all is the most important mantra of life. Thank you.
Great, very good, very nicely written, very good. Anshika Mantri,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, bacha bolo.
Ma'am, actually, my brother is also with me, so who will speak?
Anant Mantri, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anant Mantri. I am 8 years old. Today I am going to speak on how COVID-19 changed our lives. COVID-19 changed our lives like school changed to online schools. Our parents were able to sorry our parents did work from home and we were able to spend more time with our family. Now we can interact with anyone around the world with the help of online platforms, and we can order anything we want using online platforms. Thank you.
Ma'am?
Yes, very good. You have to say, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are Viraj, wait.
Yes,
Anshika,
yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Let me start. It's safe to say that every industry is being challenged to quickly adapt to this new world. I'm Anshika Mantri from Indore and I'm 13 years old. So I'm gonna speak on how COVID-19, a new technical world after a year of pandemic. Leading that charge from online ordering systems to video chatting is technology, but technology can't do it alone. In order to truly pivot to a more digital organization, companies must have an agile backbone of organization, people, and systems that can easily shift gears, adopt to new technology, and take on what's yet to come. Thank you.
Very nice, Anshika. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Durva Kabra,
Yes,
yes, please say.
my name is Durva Kabra. I am 5 years old. I am telling you about how to change with Corona life. We know, friends. We know it. We want to do online class. We want to do online class with your laptop or mobile, and we cannot go to also play and meet our friends, and also we cannot go to school and eat and go outside to play with my friends, and also we want to do online classes. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yes, Viraj,
Yes, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna. I, Viraj Birla, from ma'am. Can I say from 1 minute?
huh?
Can I say from a minute?
You want to say it afterwards.
Yes, ma'am. After a chance.
Okay. Mishka Manudane,
Yeah. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
How coronavirus has changed our lives. The coronavirus has made us rethink on the different aspects of life. There has been lot of fear about the pandemic, and rightly so, as it is costing the life of near and dear ones. But someone has rightly said that there is huge power in positive thinking. Over past 1 year, I have observed observed everyone, myself, my parents, friends, relatives, and last but not least, the 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 school has tried to adapt to new conditions to make my life as much smooth and exciting as possible. The greatest part I would attribute to school who has tried not not only teach but also improve on it. Without physical connect, without physical connect, we have learned almost all the subjects on virtual media for a year now, and it's been quite easy to understand the noise, air pollution. It pollution is the least due to the restriction on traveling. We have truly extended the life of our friend, the nature. The sheer fear of coronavirus has helped us to improve our hygienic condition by following of practices like washing of hands, taking steam, washing vegetable. We can meet teachers, trainer, guide from literally any corner of the world. This was just an imagination a year back. Now, with of virtual platform, it's it is not only easy but cost effective as well. I would conclude by saying hope is that thing inside us that insists despite all the evidence to the contrary that something better awaits us if we have the courage to reach for it and to work for it and to fight for it. Stay home, save lives. Thank you.
Very
Ma'am, I'm
nice,
ready. Can I
very
speak,
nice,
Viraj Birla?
very nice, Mishika. What's your age, Mishka?
It's 8.
Very good, very good, very nice. Yes, Viraj Birla.
Yes. Jai Shri Krishna. Myself Viraj Birla from Sanpada, Navi Mumbai, expressing my views on on the impact of COVID-19 pandemic in my day-to-day life. Before this pandemic, I used to go to school with my friends regularly. I used to enjoy those days with my friends and learn new things. Since this pandemic, I am not able to enjoy those days with my friends. But and I am missing my most favorite place, my playground. But in this pandemic, I have learned many. I have learned many indoor games and example. Uh, uh, chess, carom, articulate, deal cards, etc. Earlier, I used to play football, cricket, badminton, etc. with my society friends. I am happy that I am enjoying with my family during this pandemic. I am spending my most time with my family, and I enjoy the epic mythological serials like Mahabharat and Ramayan and Vishnu Puran, etc. I have spent my most valuable time with my grandparents. I learned a lot of good things from them, like chanting of slopes, etc. Online schools are also a great experience. I enjoyed the new method of learning and doing activities, but the old method is of much more fun. And I enjoyed the virtual celebrations because of birthdays, birthday parties, and anniversaries. And and I wish that this pandemic gets over soon and everything goes back to normal. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yes, it's so nice ना during your birthdays or your mom dad's anniversary. जिन जिनका विश नहीं भी आता होगा लेकिन एक वीडियो बना के अभी आता है, right? It's so nice this entire year has gone कि जिस जिसका भी विश नहीं भी आता होगा लेकिन उनका वीडियो जरूर आया है ये बर्थडे पे. So that is special about this year, right? Very good, very good. Yes, Harshit Biani. हर्षित बियानी.
मैम मैंने पिछली बार बोल दिया तो इस बार मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
तो आपने हैंड रेस क्यों किया है?
अच्छा वो गलती से हो गया.
ओके. गीत सोमानी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, kindly switch on your camera and say.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everybody. I'm Geet Samani, and I'm going to say how technology has changed after the 1 year of pandemic. Technology is a very important part in our
Kindly
life
switch on your
nowadays.
camera, बच्चा. Yes.
Ma'am, it is on.
Now it is off.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am. 1 minute.
now it is on. Okay. Lakshmi Karnani. Lakshmi Karnani, are you here? ओके. अभी यहाँ पे जितने बच्चे हैं सबका चांस हो गया, बोल के हो गया.
यस मैम. नहीं हुआ.
किसका नहीं हुआ?
आरुई बिल्ला.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, wait. I will note down your name. आरोही बिरला. ओके. यस, गीत बिरला के नाम से जो है आप आ गए क्या?
yes, ma'am.
यस, प्लीज से.
Hello, everybody. I'm Geet Samani. I'm going to say how technology has changed after the 1 year of pandemic. Technology is a very important part in our life nowadays, as almost everything has become online. Even schools have become online. Prior to COVID, Zoom was relatively unknown. Yet in March 2020, they announced they were hosting more than 200 million online meetings daily. After COVID, we couldn't meet our friends, but we could meet them in a Zoom meeting, which is also a huge contribution of Zoom. With people confined to their homes, technology became more of a necessity than ever to keep us connected and allow us to perform various responsibilities remotely. Perhaps unsurprisingly, during this time of reduced face to face contact, social media sites have been the primary sources of many people's COVID information. The pandemic created websites with vaccine booking like Covin and apps like Arogya Setu and developed India. We humans have proved ourselves to be very resourceful. It will be interesting to see how the future will look like post pandemic. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Lakshmi Karnani, are you here? Lakshmi Karnani, are you here? Okay. Arohi Birla. Arohi Birla.
Ma'am, my chance is remaining.
हाँ तो मैं कब से आपको बुला रही हूँ, आप सुन ही नहीं रहे हो.
Ma'am,
Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Please say.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all of you. I am Parishi Baldeva. I am going to speak of coronavirus. All over the India. It is came from China. And the Chinese we can go. Do not go out to play. School.
Wait. What is your age, bacha? What is your age?
Ma'am, 8.
Okay, your topic is how Corona has changed your life. Your topic is how Corona has changed your life. So that means that पहले आप स्कूल जाते थे, अब आप ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेस कर रहे हो. ओके, पहले मम्मी पापा काम पे जाते थे, अब आपके साथ कंटिन्यूसली रहते हैं मम्मी पापा, राइट? यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग न्यू बोर्ड गेम्स, राइट? आई एम श्योर एवरीवन, सबने लूडो, स्नेक लैडर्स, कैरम, चेस, सबने खेला होगा, राइट? So badminton, all are these new games which has been introduced in your life. जो school time पे time नहीं मिलता था. Okay? Have you prepared or not?
Yes, ma'am, I prepare.
Okay, please say.
I do not go school by coronavirus. I do not go out to play by coronavirus. I do online study by coronavirus. And I forget my fun of do not have of coronavirus. Thank you.
Okay. Arohi Birla.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arvi Villa. I am 6 years old. I study in first B. Because of Corona, we can't go outside like mall, park, garden, temple. We can't play with our friends. We can't go to school. But because of Corona, Mama, Papa spend more time with us. They play like carom, ludo, snake and ladders with us. I hope everything just be as before soon. Thank you.
Very good, Arohi, very good. Pavika Rathi. Pavika Rathi.
My topic is coronavirus has changed my life. We have certain moments in this moment.
Put your camera properly. Yes, very good.
We have to stay home and stay safe. So we cannot get out. I cannot get out. I cannot. But it's one thing is nice. I play with my mother, father. I spend with my mother, father more time. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Okay, who else is remaining? Who else is remaining? All have done? All have completed their speech? Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Can we play a short game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So, सबको A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z आता है?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको आता है?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा तो नहीं ना कोई A के बाद D बोलेगा, D के बाद H बोलेगा, ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है ना?
नहीं मैम।
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you know what is my game? What is my game? Fast, हाँ? A से लेके Z तक, हाँ? Only related to COVID-19. A से लेके Z तक आपको कुछ वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. एग्जाम्पल एक में एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आपको. एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. जैसे A से मुझे क्या याद आएगा? आरोग्य सेतु. ओके? वैसे A से लेके Z तक आपको कुछ ना कुछ वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. ओके? कैन यू ऑल ट्राई? जितना भी होगा ना उतना चलेगा. हाँ, लिख लो पहले. हाँ, अभी आई गिव यू 10 मिनट्स टाइम. आई गिव यू 10 मिनट्स टाइम. उसके बाद यू कैन डू रेज हैंड एंड वी कैन डिस्कस. ओके? यस, वेरी गुड. प्ले अ शॉर्ट गेम. ओके?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ,
मैम मैं ये गेम समझी नहीं.
देखो A से लेके Z तक लिखना है, लेकिन A से लेके Z तक आपको क्या लिखना है कि आपके A से Z तक आपको जो कोरोना वायरस के रिलेटेड वर्ड्स हैं. अभी सपोज A से आरोग्य सेतु है. एग्जाम्पल दिया है मैंने. कोरोना वायरस में हमने सबसे ज्यादा क्या यूज किया? वो A से लेके Z तक बोलना है.
Okay, ma'am.
यस.
मैम अगर मुझे नहीं करना है तो चलेगा. मुझे क्योंकि पहले से ही पता है.
Okay, I am giving you all 10 minutes time. हाँ,
मैम मुझे मुझे दो तीन वर्ड्स पहले से ही बताए.
जितने भी आप लोगों को आएंगे चलेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी कि A to Z पूरा लिखना है. जिसको जितने भी आए वो चलेगा. 10 मिनट्स टाइम आई हैव गिवन यू.
सर वो वर्ड्स लिखने नहीं आते.
यू कैन मेमोराइज. जब मैं बोलूंगी बोलने के लिए तो हैंड रेस करके मुझे बोलना. जिसको लिखना नहीं आता उसको. मम्मा लोगों को बाजू में बैठा लो ताकि याद रहेगा आप लोगों को. ओके? रिया, वी आर प्लेइंग अ शॉर्ट गेम. अल्फाबेट्स A to Z. A to Z में से हम लोगों ने सबसे ज्यादा कोरोना के टाइम पे क्या यूज किया, तो वो रिलेटेड टू दैट ओनली यू हैव टू राइट योर ABCD. ओके? नाउ सी, A से मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है. आई यूज मोस्टली आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. So this is alphabet A. Now what is from B? That you have to think, you have to jot down on a paper A to Z and you have to then raise hand. मैं पूछूंगी. Okay? can be in Hindi also or English also, no problem. Done, all of you? I can see only one hand raised. Mishka, Manudane?
Ma'am, what are we doing?
अरे 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 अरे, अरे, ये भगवान.
Yes.
I told to write A B C D Z तक के वर्ड, लेकिन ड्यूरिंग दिस कोरोना आपने क्या क्या किया है या आपने क्या क्या सुना है, सबसे ज्यादा आपके दिमाग में, आपके कानों में क्या क्या पड़ा है, वही आपको A to Z में लिखना है. यस मिश्का, वेट दुर्वा, वेट मिश्का.
Okay. Lockdown, coronavirus, positive, negative, COVID-19.
Start like A for L for what you have written. जैसे हम बचपन में बोलते थे ना A for apple, तो वैसे मैंने बोला था A for आरोग्य सेतु. ओके,
But I written lockdown first.
चलेगा. आप बीच बीच में कुछ भी, आपने बीच बीच में जैसा भी लिखा है वैसा बोलो. इनिशियल लेटर लेके बोलो.
Negative, COVID-19 symptoms, effective vaccine, online studies, and work from home.
Very good. Anyone else? Harshit Biyani?
Ma'am, Viraj Birla.
Yes, teacher. 1 second.
हाँ, हर्षित बियानी.
My letter is I. Indoor games.
बस. ओके,
Indoor games.
ओके. काशवी मनुधने.
Yes, ma'am. Immunity, vitamin D vitamin, C vitamin. Lockdown, beds, means hospital beds, and then medicine of corona, like.
ओके, वेरी गुड. वनीता सोनी.
Yes. A, Aragya Setu app. B positive. C, conference call. COVID-19. D, doctor. E, exercise. F, family time. G, global pandemic. H, healthy food. I, immunity. J, juice. K, kadha. L, lemonade. M, mask. O, oranges. P, pranayam. S, sanitize. Social distance. T, turmeric milk. V, vitamin C. W, wash hands. Z, zoom app.
Great, very good, great. Yes, Ekansh Rathi.
Yes, ma'am. A, Arogya Setu. B, bath. C, COVID-19. D, doctor. E, healthy. H, hand sanitizer. I, injection. N, negative. M, mask. L, lockdown. P, positive.
Very good. Yes, Yashi Mundra.
A, Arogya Setu. C, COVID-19. D, doctor. E, exercise. F, family time. G, go corona go. H, hand wash. I, immunity. K, kadha. L, lockdown. M, mask. N, negative. O, oxygen. P, pandemic. Q, quarantine. R, red zone. S, sanitizer. T,
T, turmeric, V, vaccine, W, work from home, and Z, Zoom call.
Very good, very good. Yes, Viraj Jawar. Viraj Jawar, are you there? Viraj Jawar.
In my mobile, it is no reason option.
Okay, please say your name.
Arabilla.
Yes, Arohi, say.
A for Aruki Setu. B for black fungus. C for corona. D for doctor. E for exercise. F for fever. H for home. Quarantine. I for isolation. K for Kada. L for lockdown. M for mask. N for nurse. O for oxygen cylinder. Q for quarantine. R for remdesivir. S for steam. T for thermometer. V for virus. Thank you.
Wow, very nice, very good. Yes, Laksh Toshniwal.
Yes, ma'am. L for lockdown, M for mask, I for immunity, D for doctor, um, S for sanitizer, um, F for family time. Um, and ma'am, I know this much only. And I for
Very good, very
Arogya
good.
Setu.
Very good, very good. Yes, Viraj Birla, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
A for Arogya Setu, B for bed, C for Covaxin, D for dose, E for exercise, F for fever, G for go corona go, H for hide and नहीं high dose of vitamin C, I for immunity, J for juice, K for Scada, L for lemon juice, M for mask, N for nose cover, O for orange, oxygen, P for pandemic, Q for quarantine, S for sanitizer, T
You.
Okay. Very good. Very good attempt. Yes, Aarti Bajaj.
Yes. A for Aragya Setu, B for breathing exercise, C for cycling, D for don't go outside, E for eat healthy food, E for enjoy with family, F for fruits, G for good books reading, H for health is well, I for injection, go joining mom and dad, from J, knowledge gaming, from K, L learning, M medicine, not to touch anything, from O oxygen cylinder, from P pranayam, Q quality foods, remdesivir, from M remdesivir, so from S social distancing, from T tulsi juice, from U use mask, from V vaccine, wash from W washing hand, from X exercise, and from Y yummy food, and from Z Zoom.
Very good. Did you all like this game?
Yes,
इस
ma'am.
आंटी ने भी नहीं लिखा ना, घर में बैठ के सोचना A to Z, right?
हाँ, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I rewrite
You can rewrite.
different
I have
words?
also written many options I am having. See, can I say my options? Yes. See, I have written A for Arogya Setu or asymptomatic, B for blood test or black fungus, C for corona COVID-19, D for 2 गज की दूरी, either or drink Ayurvedic kara, E for eat leafy vegetables or essential, then F for fall ventilator or family time, G for go corona go, because I badly want this corona should go away. H for hand wash. I for immunity. J for jobless, because there are many people who lost their jobs during this pandemic. K for kara. L for lockdown. M for masks. N for negative report. O for oxygen. P for positive report or pandemic. Q for quarantine. R for everyone might be seeing him in the morning, early morning. रामदेव बाबा. सबके घरों में यही लगता होगा, रामदेव बाबा योगा करो, है ना? Yes. S for social distancing और sanitize regularly. T for ताली बजाया था ना? Yes. Or turmeric. U for unlock. V for ventilator or vaccine. W for wear mask or work from home. X for Zizimping. There is a app in which I suppose बहुत सारे games है ये. Okay. Y for yellow zone. Then Z for Zoom call. And Zoom call has become much, popular. किसी को 1 साल पहले तक Zoom app का नाम भी पता था? No, yes. Very good. It was nice listening to you all, kids. Very good. We will meet tomorrow with a new activity. Bye for now.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we going to do tomorrow?
I love you. Meet tomorrow.